Ready?
Yeah.
Oh no, I dropped the pig into it.
It's all over your
Can
face.
you see us?
Yeah.
Can you see it?
Mm-hmm.
It's got a mouthful.
Sorry.
Good enough.
Sorry. No, it's in my mouth. I
Oh,
don't think he wants it.
it needs a bit of water, eh?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, kids.